Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Joe Pillar, and right now I am going to be showing you how you can actually sign up for a PayPal account in Nigeria, right here in Nigeria, and you can send money and receive money through the PayPal that I am going to show you how you can get registered for it. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Joe Pillar once again, and this channel is all about how you can actually make money online right from your home. And if what I'm giving you is it gives you value and it helps you, then consider smashing the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that whenever I drop another video, you'll be the first to get notified, guys. So let's get right into the video and see how you can actually do that. Welcome back, guys. I want to show you two different things. Now, if you can see here, this is Nigeria here, ng/paypal.com/ng/home here, and if you come here, you will see nothing that looks like receive payment. You are just seeing send payment here. Are you seeing it? Send payment here. What this means is that you cannot receive fund, but you can send. So basically what we are going to talk about now is how you can sign up for a PayPal account and get paid wherever you are in Nigeria. So what you are going to, and a lot of people are registering for PayPal through other countries like South Africa, UK, and all other countries. So I am going to show you how exactly you can open it with no stress. So follow me step by step and consider smashing the subscribe button, give me thumbs up, and comment down below if you have anything to ask from me, or if you want me to do a video about a particular topic. So guys, let's continue. Here we can see here, you see this one is paypal.com/i/ls/home. If you come to personal here, this personal here this one has just only personal, and this personal here doesn't have receive payment, just have send payment. Now we come here to paypal.com/is/home. We come to personal here, you can see get paid here and send payment here. You can get paid. The other one, you can only send payment and you cannot receive. Are you getting me? Please don't let it contradict each other. This first one /4/ng, you can only send but cannot receive. But this one /4/ls actually /home, you can send, you can get paid and send payment. Are you getting me, guys? So let's get into it and see how you can actually sign up for it. So come here, click on sign up here, and you click on this business here. The network is fluctuating, please bear with me. Okay, click on continue here. Let's wait for it to load up. And actually you are going to be needing a national ID or passport or driving license so that you can actually get paid into your own bank account directly. So let's wait for this to load up and see what is there. Now we are here and we are asked to enter our own Gmail here. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to enter a mail here. 752 @gmail.com. and continue. So just have to bear me and wait. Let's wait for this to load. With this account, this PayPal account, you can get paid wherever. You can receive money from each and every country in the whole world. You can receive money, and you also can send. Be it you want to make payments online, do something like that. So let's enter a password here. Enter a password and send. Let's wait for this to load up. So here it is. We've confirmed your information to help keep your account secure. So you enter your first name and make sure what you are going to enter here is correct. Guys, I don't have a national ID. I always use my mom's ID, which you can also, if you don't have, you can use your mom's ID, your dad ID. You just have to use it to open your PayPal account. Now let's continue and see how to do that. Just enter the name, business name, online, also mystery, online also mystery. Then we enter a phone number here, 063213704. Yes. Then come down here, enter your address. You enter your home address here. So my address is just what's happening here? It's 3213704. Oh, sorry, I've not chosen my country. Then you come here and choose your country. Here is Nigeria. The number is 2 blank. Wow. Okay, so enter your town or village here. Actually that's where I came from, Kwara State. Okay, then come to this postal address, then enter your postal address here. Make sure everything that you are going to enter in this app, please, is very correct. So I'm going to enter my address, my code here, 1 2 3 here. Then choose the currency that you want here. So we're going to use US dollar here. You come down now, you see a lot of currencies here. This is Europe, Japanese yen. Then we are going to use dollar. Click on dollar here, click this, then agree. And let's wait for this to load up first before we continue. Yes, I'll just come here and choose your business type. If it is individual or sole proprietorship, if it is sole proprietor, cooperative, partnership, private, cooperative, public organization, non-profit organization, I'm going to choose individual here. Then just enter your product or service keyword here. Let me just enter something like computer software store, computer programming, computer. Let me come down. Let me click on these business services, and here if you have a business URL, or you can enter it here, but if you have not, we do not have, just click on this continue. You see they have clarified it if applicable. If you don't have, just click on continue here to take you to the next page. Then you can enter your details here and make sure what you enter is correct. So I'm just going to enter the one that is on my ID. I'm just going to enter 0404, which is April, 1976. Nationality, just choose a nationality here. Actually from Nigeria, click Nigeria here. Identity. Now here you are going to select the one that you want, either national ID or passport or driver's license, but I am going to use national ID. Click on this and enter your ID number here, national ID number here. You will see it on your ID card. So just enter your ID number here. So I'm going to enter my ID number here, which is, so come down here and set your home address, same as the business address. It's because of it, because it's the same as the business address. That's why I click on this and I send this. Let's wait for it to load up. Yeah, it said ready to get paid. Your account comes with these quick, easy ways to request payment. So just come down, see this, request or send funds, send an invoice, over PayPal checkout on your website. This one is when if you want to add a PayPal link to your website so that people can pay you through that. So we are done by creating our PayPal account. Then come here to this business setup, and see what's there. Oh, sorry, it's the same thing. So if you want to link, you are now going to link your credit card to your PayPal account so that you can get paid. Now it's time to watch the money rolling. Finish setting up here. Just you are now going to go and confirm the email address sent to you. Let me check. So here is the message here. You can see the first message is set up your PayPal business account, and we have do that. We are done with that. Then click on this confirm your email here, and doesn't mind my network. It's just like that. Then you're now going to confirm here. Click on confirm, and once you have confirmed it, then you can now go and link your credit card to your PayPal account and get paid, and also send money from your country to another country, or from one person to another within your country. Just enter your password and confirm this security challenge. Then click on I'm not a robot and fill the reCAPTCHA. Yeah, plus this. You have to click on the buttons here. Sure. Yeah, then verify. Oops, bicycle. Then verify. Yes, this is how it's normally do. You have to re-enter it. verifying your information. Just wait for it to load up. And once it's loaded up, then you are verified and you are good to go, and link your credit card to your PayPal account here and start receiving funds. Now it said here, you're saying link and confirm my debit or credit card. Just come here, click on see details, and then link your card here. Click on link card, then you can now link your card here, credit card number. Then you can link your card here and get paid whenever you want to be paid. So this is all. If you are using MasterCard, enter your MasterCard. If you are using Visa, enter your Visa here. American Express, enter it here. So this is where you are going to link your card. After you are done inputting all these things, filling this form, then you will click on link card and you are going to link your card. This is how you can actually sign up for a PayPal account in Nigeria and get paid and receive and send funds. Now don't forget that, let's recap what we just did. We go to www.paypal.com/ls.com, paypal.com/ls. then it's going to bring us to, let me just type it so that it will not be as if we did what's not right, .ls, and then click on enter and it will load up. It's because we have signed up, that's why it's loaded this up. If you are not signed up already, it will just bring us to this place, but here the personal here will, inside of this personal you will see get paid, send payments. If you are seeing this on your screen, that means you cannot get paid from this one, but you can send payment. So guys, this is all I got for you today. So if I really give you over, please consider smashing the subscribe button and clicking on the notification bell and give me thumbs up. Please make sure you share this video, and guys, I'm leaving you in peace. Take care.